Here we got a train coming in, some water force. Some water force coming in. Water force. Goodbye, King. Some water force coming in. So what? 390. 5-car train for 397. 396. 297. 419 and 420. No, it's one side train. All taken off to Glenn's side. We'll be coming back as a train to the airport. More to come from Elkins. Look at this first train coming into our force. Sorry for all cars. Sorry for all cars. Sorry for all cars. Sorry for all cars. Run! Reel in, and train 1. All taken off to Lansdale. More action to come. Here we got a train coming in. So our 4 cars coming in. Press St. Miles off for all cars. 158. 176 and 175. All taken off to 30th Street. That's Express and Zoom bus. More come on. That's the water fact train finally coming in. Finally.
We'll stay for one more.
After this one?
Yeah.
So ladder 5 rail cars.
You might get 2 in there, I don't know.
This is a train to the airport. I think we got 836. Let's see what this is going to. Let's get on. This is an airport train. This is a train to the airport. Down towards Philly, it is going to the airport. Here's the train to the airport. I'm the train leaving. I don't know, John. They're not going. I don't know what's going on. He's late. Airport train. What's going on? This train is late. What's going on? 9. There we go. He is finally leaving. He's running late. This is the train to the airport. Finally leaving. Silver Line 5 rail car. 8:36. 8:35. I'll take it off to the airport. We got one. How many more trains?
Maybe
2. Go. Warminster train 105. This is a Warminster train. That was the train to the airport. That was the train to the airport. To Warminster. More to come.